Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. We have the Keychron K6 here with hot swappable RGB blue switch, and it comes with an aluminum case that I bought here. So let's get started with the unboxing. And the manual, it's nice, like they're giving us manual how it works. So over here we have the USB-C type, and which will go into the keyboard, and this USB-A type. And then we have some extra keys, switches, and then we have our keyboard itself. Let's keep it here, and now let's move on to this. You get some tools to remove the switches, and we have also a long book that if you want to read, you can. So let's get started with the keyboard. So let's get a quick preview of this keyboard. It has all aluminum casing to it all around its four borders, but the bottom plate is still made up of plastic in this price range. It has a price range from 6,800 to 7,400 rupees. K6 is the affordable and functional hot swappable keyboard out right now. It has a port of USB-C and a toggle switch to switch between Windows and Mac, and another switch to switch between Bluetooth and wired. And the keys are made up of ABS, so you can expect it to get a little bit of shiny after a bit of usage. It is a Keychron hot swappable blue switch I have here. It has all the essential multimedia keys and function. While using some combination of keys, you can use them all. The keyboard is quite heavy, but I will prefer, if you travel a lot, I will prefer you to bring the rubber casing. It has a weight around, I think, 530 grams to 620 grams, depending upon which variant you buy. There was some people saying that there was some height issue, like you have the pain in the wrist after a bit of usage, but I didn't find that so. But yeah, it can depend. So it has a height of 4 centimeters. You can tilt the keyboard up to 9 degrees as you want to. Okay, now let me show the colors it has. And you have this colors, this, man, it looks amazing. I like this. I like this the most. I'm gonna change the brightness as well. We have this key. Now let's listen to the sound of the blue switch. Taking all things into consideration, now we can get to the conclusion that if you're looking for a keyboard that can connect multiple devices and offer a good typing experience with multiple kinds of switches, this keyboard is pretty much perfect. For gaming, this is a solid budget option, while I have bought it for myself for my programming purposes. And there's only one downside of this keyboard, that its height is huge, like it's 4 centimeters. So if you can live with it, you can go for it. It's perfect. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do have any queries, please comment down in the comment section and I'll surely do reply. and please like and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned with this channel updates.